What's up, little broski? So BEDWARS just added two brand new overpowered items. Now, as you can see, we have a tank. As you can see, we have multiple tanks. Oh god! Now this is pretty cool, huh? But check it out. Oh, never mind. So we have balloons. Isn't that crazy? Now, what am I talking about? Who am I? Where am I? How do I get out of this place? Are all common questions I have gotten about this new update. First of all, the explosive tank. Basically, I think you hit them and they go kaboom. Oh my god. And the firework rocket, check it out. Whoa, isn't that cool? So to stop this lackluster update from being boring, I'm gonna be tossing in the game and just seeing how it is. Now, I think the main goal should be to get that firework backpack because it low-key looks insane. We do have a lead in because of course we can do. Or hopefully Alice can protect our bed. Alice didn't really protect her bed. Now I can fly. Ooh, I guess. I can't hit with it out, so that sucks. But if I could, he would be over. So far, I like it. It's pretty fun, pretty tough. It's pretty much just like a save item, I guess. We do have telepearls, but why not a backpack? Pretty much just a telepearl, but like less. It's like less a telepearl. A telepearl and a half, essentially. Possibly. Okay, bye! I'm out. Dude, chill! What is your problem? It's like, stop trying to kill me, dude. Okay, you sold. Get out. Hey, Ragnar. Chill! What is your problem? Bye, 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 bye. You'll never kiss me. Oh. They might slightly catch up to me. Chill. I'm out. Chill! You're meant to obey! I said chill! Chill! That's what thought, kiddo! That's what thought! That's what thought! That's what thought! Yeah! 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 Die! Be slightly upset at people in BEDWARS. That's just how we play. Look at them chilling in the generator. I think now's a perfect time to use our little tanks. Wait, tanks. Oh my god! It did nothing! It did nothing! It didn't even explode! I'm out. This item sucks. Silly goober. What is that pose? Did you get like tetanus or something? I'm out. You guys like stop it? You guys do know your bed is currently being ripped apart. You guys are just sitting there. He doesn't even have armor yet, so great. I guess he just didn't feel like it. We have those days, dude. We have those days. Bye. It doesn't let build straight. Real. Dude, I have a dodo! And I can climb! What were you trying to do? Hi. The tank is useless. This item sucks! Our girl garden bot's thinking he's tough right now. Let's cook him. Oh. Rip. Dude, he's not tough! Get out! Go away! Or bye. Just give up at this point, dude. Alright. Oh my god, I hate this. It's like blocks are slippery. Bye! Dude, why do you use your dash on him? Oh my god, he fed him 2 animals. Hey, buddy. Hey, little guy. Chill! Chill! Dude, this guy is locked in. Alright, I was just not beating this fella. You are not beating him with your no armor and wooden dio, bro. You're literally the starter weapons. You're gonna get cooked. Gone too soon. Rip. I don't like this little fellow. Oh my god! How much did you feed this guy? What are you feeding him? Oh my god! Dude, he literally like 5 taps me. Get out. Dude, stop going after him with like no armor. Like you can't just go yeah! When he's trying to kill you. Like he's not just gonna stop for a second. Like alright, I have a master plan. I wanna see how this brawl goes, so I'm gonna watch. Oh, what was that?